In this video, I will show you how to import quiz questions from Moodle into QB². Let's start by navigating to our quiz question bank in Moodle. On your course site, click on the Admin Panel button, then on Question Bank. Next, click on the Export tab. For file format, select the option for Moodle XML format. Then select the category or subcategory you want to export. Now click the Export Questions to File button. The file will be saved on your computer. Next, we will need to upload the XML file to Google Drive. To do this, simply drag and drop the file into an appropriate folder. Now open up a new or existing QB² spreadsheet. To create a new sheet, click Add-ons, Question Bank Quick Builder, then set up QB² spreadsheet. If you need more guidance on how to set up a QB² spreadsheet, please refer to our video, QB² How to Set Up. Once you have a QB² sheet open, we can import our XML file. At the top of the page, click Add-ons, Question Bank Quick Builder, then Import from XML. Before proceeding, make sure you are on the Question Bank sheet. By default, the import feature will remove all formatting from questions except for line breaks. If you have special formatting you want to preserve, select Advanced Options. You will then see two checkboxes. Checking the first box causes imported questions to include HTML tags that will preserve formatting upon re-import into Moodle. Keep in mind that checking this option will generally make your questions harder to read and edit within the spreadsheet. The second box allows you to import more than one XML file at a time. If checked, you will need to have all the files you want to import in a single folder. When you're ready, click the Import button. A file picker will then appear, and then you can select the desired XML file. If you're importing a folder, only click the folder once, then click Select. The questions will now start importing to your spreadsheet. Depending on the size of your file, this may take some time. When the import is complete, QB² will alert you to any errors in a pop-up window, as well as in a newly created Import Errors sheet.